To me, welding is being able to like work with metal and change the like way it looks. So you can add to it or you could take away, and and you could put stuff together. I think that's cool.
We are engraving our initials on a piece of metal, so that's pretty fun.
Over the years, I never had 7 girls in one class, and I think it's amazing.
It's definitely very different. When I took my engineering classes, I was one of the only girls in the class, so being able to work with other girls in this welding class is just very different and fun.
The numbers in this class are super high, which is really exciting for me to see because they're very capable, and it's awesome to show them, you know, what they can do and experience new things.
It's relaxing and it's like fun, but it's also a little bit challenging. So it's like a nice exercise, and it's like a break from like the stress of like other classes.
It's a dual credit class, so my goal is just to start getting college credit ahead of time.
Put the filler metal in there, right? Are we ever training kids to be a welder, to be a cabinet maker in these fields? We're training them to think project-based. We're training them to think how working with your hands and being creative is a viable alternative to just sitting behind a laptop. We're training them to understand that there are other career fields that even our guidance counselors don't know about.
I'm interested in engineering, so I thought having welding as a skill would be beneficial for my future in my career.
It's actually way cooler than I thought it would be. I didn't even really know what it was when I came in, but I think it's like actually really cool, and like to work with your hands is like something I didn't know I would like enjoy.